In this video, we listed the 5 best dash cams on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. TiESFONG M10 Max Dash Cam. The TiESFONG 2K M10 Max is a sophisticated 4-channel dash cam designed for comprehensive vehicle surveillance, featuring high-resolution recording capabilities of 2K, 2560 by 1440, for the front camera and 1080p for the rear and side cameras. It operates effectively in a wide temperature range, -20 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, and supports a variety of advanced features including loop recording, built-in Wi-Fi, G-sensor, and night vision. The device is powered by a corded electric source and requires a Class 10 U3 or higher microSD card for optimal performance, with a maximum storage capacity of 256 GB. Its unique design allows for real-time monitoring and recording, even when the vehicle is parked, utilizing a radar sensing mode to conserve power. The dashcam is equipped with multiple connectivity options, including Bluetooth and Type-C input, output, and supports various languages for the on-screen display. With its robust build quality, the TiESFONG M10 Max is tailored for users seeking reliable, high-definition recording and advanced safety features for their vehicles. Number 2. AZDOME M550 Pro. The AZDOME M550 Pro is a high-performance dashcam designed to enhance vehicle safety with advanced recording features. It offers a choice between a 2-channel, front and rear, or a 3-channel, front, cabin, and rear, configuration, capable of recording in resolutions up to 4K, 3840x2160p, for the front camera. The device is equipped with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for rapid video downloads, as well as GPS functionality to log speed and location data, providing crucial evidence in case of emergencies. The dashcam features infrared night vision, ensuring clear recordings in low-light conditions, and supports a 24-hour parking monitor with 2 modes, collision detection and time-lapse recording. The M550 Pro comes with a free 64GB TF card, expandable to 256 GB, and includes various accessories for easy installation. It operates within a temperature range of -20 to 70 and is designed with multiple special features, including G-sensor, waterproofing, and Wi-Fi connectivity, making it a versatile and reliable choice for drivers seeking to improve their on-road security. Number 3. VIOFO A129 Plus Dash Cam. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is a high-performance dual dash cam designed to capture both the front and rear views of your vehicle with exceptional clarity, featuring a front camera resolution of 2560x1440p at 60 frames per second and a rear camera at 1080p at 30 frames per second. Equipped with advanced Sony sensors and HDR technology, it provides superior night vision capabilities, ensuring clear recordings even in low-light conditions. The dashcam includes built-in Wi-Fi and GPS for easy video management and real-time speed tracking, while its G-sensor and motion detection features enhance safety by automatically recording incidents. With 3 parking mode solutions, it offers versatile monitoring options when the vehicle is parked. The device supports up to 256 GB of external memory and comes with a 1-year warranty, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking comprehensive vehicle surveillance. The package includes essential accessories for installation, and optional add-ons such as corporal filters and Bluetooth remote controls are available for enhanced functionality. Number 4. AZDOME M660 Dash Cam. The AZDOME Dashcam M660 is a sophisticated 4-channel car DVR designed to provide comprehensive surveillance for vehicles, capable of recording simultaneously from the front, left, right, and rear at resolutions of 2K and 1080p. It features a robust set of specifications, including a wide working temperature range of -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, a built-in 128 GB eMMC for data storage, and advanced functionalities such as smart voice control, super night vision, and built-in GPS for tracking routes. The dashcam supports 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for quick access to recorded footage via the AZDOME app. Additionally, it includes a G-sensor for collision detection, multiple parking modes for enhanced security, and a variety of special features like waterproofing, anti-vibration, and wide dynamic range capabilities. With a compact design and a user-friendly interface that supports multiple languages, the M660 is an ideal choice for drivers seeking reliable and high-quality recording solutions for their vehicles. Number 5. DDPAI Z60 Dash Cam. The DDPAI Dash Cam Z60 is a cutting-edge driving safety device that features a triple-channel recording system capable of capturing video in resolutions up to 4K plus 2K plus 1080p. Designed for both front and rear monitoring, it includes advanced functionalities such as built-in GPS for accurate tracking, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for rapid video transfer, and Night VIS 2.0 technology that enhances visibility in low-light conditions. The dashcam also supports parking monitoring through AOV technology, allowing for efficient recording while consuming minimal power. With a user-friendly 3-inch FHD display, smart voice control for easy operation, and the option to expand memory up to 512 GB, the Z60 provides comprehensive monitoring and protection for your vehicle. Its robust features, including the ability to connect to 4G networks for remote access and real-time control, make it a versatile and essential tool for enhancing driving safety and security.